Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I am so excited to be sharing with you the new Nicole Mather Hot Tropical Nights Mystery Vault. Ooh. You guys, this looks amazing and I sort of think I might know what is inside, so I cannot wait to share this with you. So if you are interested in seeing me unbox this new House of Sillage Mystery Vaults, this is the Hot Tropical Nights Fragrance and Beauty Mystery Vault, then let's go ahead and get started. So you guys, I am a little bit excited about this one. This is another one of the specially curated vault from Nicole Mather, who is the CEO and founder of House of Sillage. We are going to escape into the tropical nights of the South Pacific. That sounds pretty darn good to me right about now. So in this mystery vault, you are guaranteed one of the limited edition fragrances as well as one of the Bow lipstick cases. So let's go ahead and see what is in this particular box. It comes beautifully wrapped. First of all, you're going to get one of the House of Sillage beach towels, and I think I have told you guys these are my favorite. These ones are super soft, really high quality, but the best part is they are quite large. So it is perfect literally to take to the beach with you or just to the pool. And my daughter has already stolen my other one, loves it. So get one of these fantastic, beautiful towels. Then you are going to get a House of Sillage, a cap. This one is in the white shade. And as I said, you guys, I love these. This is what I like to wear to protect my skin, but I love to wear these running, just when we're going out walking. So fantastic. And of course, I love the white. So super fun little extra here. And then we have the House of Sillage, and this is the BOUGIE candle, and this is the Endless Tropics. So I love the House of Sillage candle. This is a soy-based candle. This is eco-friendly, and you're gonna get about a 60-hour burn from these candles. And this one is really super inviting. So it has definitely some musk in it. And yes, musk, an essence of amber, peppercorn, and teak wood. I find that candles are the perfect little escape right now. It can totally change your mood and your atmosphere, and I think they're particularly important right now when not a lot of us are traveling or can get away. But guess what? You can totally escape to the tropics by lighting up your candle and just enjoying the aroma. Absolutely fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and light that up. Okay, also included is the facial mist. They just launched their private beach body line, which is amazing, and they have a hydrating facial mist, which I already love. This facial mist is infused with a boost of antioxidants. It smells amazing. This contains tropical fruit extracts from starfruit, kiwi, and pomegranate, as well as vitamins A, C, and B for overall health and hydration for your skin. So you guys, this one not only smells good, has a little bit of a tropical vibe to it, but it's super hydrating, and I've been using this to kind of set my makeup every day. It smells fabulous, and it's kind of perfect for the summer. You can just throw this into your beach bag and give yourself a little bit of a mist anytime you want a little refresher, little hydration. So I really have been enjoying this. So you're getting a little bit of everything in this mystery vault, from kind of lifestyle with the candle, fragrance of course, all the way to your skincare. So this is kind of a nice little bonus here. Then we have one of the infamous Bow lipstick cases, and let's see which one we got. Okay, I was hoping this was the one. Included in the mystery vault is this beautiful teal colored House of Sillage lipstick case. As I have said, these are my favorite. They are fantastic keepsakes. They are also fantastic gifts. And it also includes a lipstick. Then the lipstick that comes with it is in Baroness. Now, Baroness is one of my favorites. It's a beige nude with a little bit of gold luminosity in it. So you're just going to take your case. You have the refill here, and you just click it. You can place the top of your bow, click, and you are ready to go. So pretty. It comes along with its own little hard case here, so you can keep that in your purse. And it also has a lovely mirror so that you can apply your lipstick. So these are fantastic, easy to put into your purse. And let's go ahead and put a little bit of this color on. Again, this is perfect for the summer. This is the shade Baroness. One of my favorites, you guys, just easy to wear. It's got a little bit of that gold luminosity, so it's gonna give your lips just a little oomph to it, but just so gorgeous. And I love this case so much. So let's see what's next. I know you guys are like, let's get to the good stuff, the perfume. We're getting to the finale, I promise. But first, you're also going to get a travel perfume, and this is in trend number 5. I have not tried this one, so excited. And let's check this out. Okay, this is super fun. So trend number 5 is the Tropical Jungle perfume. You get the travel case just like this, and it already comes with one perfume inside, and then you also receive a refill. These are fantastic, you guys, especially for gifts. Again, this is a great way for people to be able to try House of Sillage fragrances, and they make fantastic gifts. So this one is trend number 5. So let's go ahead, do a little, oh my gosh. This smells amazing. If you love neroli, you are going to love trend number 5. This fragrance is designed for the feisty, sassy, free-spirited, hopeless romantic. I love this, you guys. This is incredible. So this is Tunisian neroli, Bulgarian rose, and Tolo balsam. It definitely smells like a tropical little paradise. So good. So you guys, this one just smells amazing. It is flirty, it is fun, it is perfect for this time of year. It is definitely gives you that tropical kind of vibe. So pretty. I really love this one, and I absolutely love this fun case. This is so cute. Last but not least, I bet you guys have been waiting for this one. You are getting one limited edition House of Sillage fragrances. It comes in this beautiful box. Oh my goodness. It comes in this beautiful white lacquered box. You press the little button here, and then it opens up, and oh my gosh. You guys, this is Passion de l'Amour's limited edition bottle. I'm going to die. Oh my goodness. You guys, I fell in love with this when I was in New York, and I was looking at all these beautiful designs, but check this out with the beautiful lizard here. It has the beautiful ombre glass. This is truly amazing. As I've said, these are pieces of art, And the good thing is the juice inside these beautiful cupcakes is just as good as the packaging itself. But I am seriously, my breath is taken away at the gorgeousness of this. We'll take this cap off. Inside the cap, it is embossed with your Passion de l'Amour, the perfume, as well as the number that you received. This is a limited edition product. As you can see inside, it's going to have the House of Sillage logo embossed, as well as the perfume, and then your own personal number that you received. Again, I want to just give you a little bit more detail here. This exotic fragrance eternalizes a mysterious and passionate reverie of sheer bliss on a tropical hot night in the South Pacific. Alluring and enchanting, Passion de l'Amour evokes an enticing aroma with breezes of vanilla and caramel, paired with hints of oud and aromatic bergamot. So let's go ahead and put a little bit on, and then I'll share one little tip too. So you guys, this is literally one of my favorite fragrances from the House of Sillage. I have this in the Christian Cowan limited edition, and I wear it all the time, and I'm almost out of that one. If you are an oud lover, I think you are going to fall in love with Passion de l'Amour. This is rich, sumptuous, and so intoxicating. This is the fragrance that all day long I will be smelling myself. I'll be like, because it smells so good. The top notes are saffron and raspberry, so you're going to get a little bit of that spice as well as fruit when you first spray this on. The heart notes are caramel and amorous oil, so there is a little bit of sweetness in here, but then it's tempered with the oud at the base of this fragrance. So the reason I love this is it's got a little bit of sweetness to it, but that oud completely balances it out and makes it a really kind of sexy, sophisticated kind of fragrance. To me, this is what I would describe as a gourmand oud fragrance. It's got a little bit of sweetness in there. It's got some spice in there, a little bit of fruity as well as floral. And then that oud just kind of balances everything out, so it's not going to be too sweet. So when I say sweet, you guys, it's got a little bit of that layer of caramel in it. That oud is going to give you that base that you need. So this fragrance just makes me happy. I wear this all year long. I am almost out of my Christian Cowan. This was the limited edition perfume. So I feel very lucky and honored to have received the limited edition Passion de l'Amour. I am seriously blown away by the beauty of this limited edition fragrance. So pretty, so intoxicating, and I do have to tell you that this fragrance layers beautifully with House of Sillage CHEVAUX. So CHEVAUX, you guys, is this beautiful rose, very authentic. It has a little bit of a fruity beginning with strawberries. I feel like it has a touch of sea salt in it, and when you pair Passion de l'Amour with CHEVAUX, if you are into rose oud fragrances, this will blow your mind. It is so good. So whenever I layer these, you guys, this is like compliments galore. It is just gorgeous, and it's one of those that I just cannot get enough of. So love Passion de l'Amour by itself, but I did want to mention that if you are a lover of the rose oud, you're going to want to check out CHEVAUX as well. I also have to say I'm going to spray a little bit of the Trend number 5 on top of Passion de l'Amour, because that's going to give it a little bit of a lift from that neroli, a little bit of brightness. So again, you guys, I love to layer and have fun with fragrances. You can create your own, and oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I just layered a little bit of the Trend number 5 on top of Passion de l'Amour, and it is completely taking me to the tropics. That is amazing. So then again, if you want a little bit of a lift, a little bit of brightness, definitely layering the two of these is creating the most amazing kind of beachy vibe in this room. Oh my goodness, I smell so good. This has been the most incredible unboxing ever. Wow. So this may just be the most incredible mystery vault so far. I personally love Passion de l'Amour. I am just enthralled with this beautiful limited edition bottle. It's just incredible. And you get a touch of everything. So this mystery vault is $936, but it is a $1,702 value. You are going to be guaranteed one of the limited edition fragrances. You cannot go wrong with Passion de l'Amour, as well as one of the beautiful lipstick cases, including Baroness, which again, one of my favorite shades ever. Then I love the fact that they included everything you need to escape to the tropics. You've got your beach towel, you have got your candle, you have got your facial mist, as well as your travel perfume. So everything you need in this incredible mystery vault. So thank you so much, Nicole, for curating this beautiful mystery vault. I also want to give a little shout out to my friend Alex. He is amazing. He is the one who shared the tip of layering these two fragrances together. That is my go-to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you're going to be taking the plunge or if you are going to be enjoying any of the other fragrances from the House of Sillage. They still have their 25% off sale going on, so check that out. I've got several other videos on the House of Sillage perfumes. I truly love them, and you guys know I am a perfume junkie. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day.